Hi everyone, Mr. Heglin here with a brief overview of the Google Classroom for C and D Block English 11. Again, this is just a quick snapshot of what it will look like. There's a lot more work to do with it, and hopefully as the year goes on, I'll get feedback from all of you about what's working and not working, and we'll make adjustments from there. But for now, this will be our starting point. So this is the stream page that you can see here, and it'll basically be used for class announcements. You can already see the intro video and the remote learning orientation video are here. So those will be pretty static things that pop up that you might need to know about class, about the school, reminders about deadlines that are approaching, things like that. Just a way for me to communicate information to all of you that you might need. And the majority of everything else will be housed here in the Classwork section. Now, from teacher view to student view, and obviously I'm on the teacher view, it shouldn't look too much different. So this is essentially and hopefully what you'll be seeing as well. We'll have class materials and videos, reading materials, so any articles, short stories, poems, etc. that we're reading, the assignments that will go with said reading materials, and then essays and writing prompts. These are going to be the starting points, again, and sort of the base line for us as we start the year off. But as we go forward and some feedback comes up from all of you, I will make adjustments as necessary. So in addition to that, we'll have our class list visible here. This is how I'll be able to invite you all to the classroom. And then not too sure how often I'll be using the grades feature yet. Certainly I'll just be grading everything and entering it into Plus portals on my own. But we'll see if this is helpful to us, again, as the year goes on. But at the very least, the Plus portals that we went over in the remote learning orientation video will be the best place for you to go to see your individual assignment grades as well as your overall grades for each trimester. And we can talk a little bit more about how grades are weighted and calculated as we go forward. So if you have any questions, and then certainly as we get into it, if you have any suggestions or feedback about the Google Classroom and your needs, let me know, and we'll talk more about it, and we'll make some adjustments or answer those questions as best we can. Again, I look forward to working with everyone this year, and good luck.